Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting right in settings to stop location sharing. Don't waste time on generic prep. First, make sure location is enabled so you can see active sharing controls, then tap Google or location services depending on your phone. Once done, open the Google app or Settings Location App Level Permissions to view apps currently allowed. You're doing this because turning off sharing in one place won't stop shared access from apps or Google services, so check both account and app controls now. Now focus on the middle, detailed steps. Go to Settings, Apps Permissions, Location, and Revoke or set to Allow only while using the app for any app you don't trust. Next, open the Google app, tap your profile, choose Data and Privacy, then Location History and pause it. This stops Google storing movements. Also open Google Maps, tap your avatar, go to Location Sharing, and remove any people or devices. These steps cut off app level and account level sharing simultaneously. Finish by deciding if you want location off system-wide. Toggle location off in settings to block all apps temporarily, or adjust the privacy dashboard to control specific features. Once you've revoked app permissions and paused location history, restart your phone to ensure settings apply. If sharing persists, make sure any third-party apps have background activity and location set to deny, and check for multiple Google accounts. A quick troubleshoot tip: sign out of Google, then sign.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.